Here, just going to move the Escort and going to reverse it into its garage for the winter slumber. And there's zero fuel in it, it's under the white line at the bottom of the red. I didn't put any in it because it just evaporates. Put it into its slumber. Well, that's the Husky in its bed, right. What I'm going to do... Oh, bonnet's done. I need to open the bonnet, disconnect the battery. I need to... Yeah, that's one thing I need to do. Then I need to go and get my cat litter, a wee tub, put that in it. The other thing will be, I'll bring the tractor up, put it in front of this door. Once I do that, I'll take the tractor off the dollies, and the Escort can go on the dollies, and I can move the Escort over to the side. That's grand. That is. Right, crack on. Right, I'll go and get a 30mm spanner and disconnect the battery. Right, in this tub I've got, this is a crystal cat litter. What I'll do with this is I'll put this on the dash of the Escort here. Try and draw some of the dampness out. So I'll and I'll go and get a spanner and get the battery done. Let's see. I'll just put this in the front of this now. Don't know if I can be bothered pushing the tractor over here today. In front of the garage door. Put that there and I'll go and get my spanner. That's the next thing will be get it onto the dollies, get pushed into the corner and get it covered up. I'm just slacking this battery in this bad boy. Got the wrong spanner, of course. Stupid fucking flaming ratchet thing. There, sound. Right, move this tractor. Push it a bit. Get it pushed over to front of the garage door. I should really move the bins at the front here, but I'll see if I can manage to move it if it any bins. Would be easier if I was doing there myself. Stuff stacked up behind it. Just push by the wheels. It's not that bad. He's getting the idea. In there. This keeps me fit every time I get much exercise. Just a bit in the carport. So they are. Well, great these dollies there. I should really buy another set. But well, when I can. So I'll go straight back at that if I can. Let me move these chairs. Move these chairs and push it right up to that left hand garage door there. That's the plan. So it is. And I appreciate this. I was hoping somebody would come round and say hello so I could get a visit up. Make them help me, right? Hard done now, for some reason. I dug it up once I got into the hill. This side. Trying to avoid going off the edge and putting the wee casters into the stones because then you need to get the jacket. We'll get there. Something to do, innit? Something to do. You get a good grip of these tyres I've got on it now. To pull it and drag it. You need a wee bit of timing. I have to go in and check the other side, it's not going near the edge. We'll get there though, we're nearly there. It's getting close to this edge. Good. Nearly there. Quite good this bit because I was jamming myself against the shed. Where can I push? It's really going to check that back wheel's not coming off the stones there. Nearly there. Oh. Oh. Ah, she's all good. Hey. Wee bitty more. Go back into that back wheel. That seems to work quite well. Whew. Got it up, I just need to move it over and it's not as much room as what I thought there would be right here, but should still work. Just needs to go over that way a wee bit. Oh, I put it over too much, so I'll go and check. I say pick up will come in the car, pull it, I'll be a bit proud, but we'll not worry about that now. There we are. Come a wee bit further, but no much. God, that's a slab there actually. What am I talking about? It's right at the edge. Duh! I'm feeling on my feet. I've got Crocs on. Yeah, I can swing the front end over a bit now. Right. That's enough room for me to get through without banging my stupid feet. Okay. I think it is actually, to be fair. Get that in. Right. Right, go and get a coffee now, I deserve it. Tidy this mess up when I come back out. Bits of metal and bits of wood now, and it's hard to push it. I was trying to ignore bits of wood, they must have been jamming in the wheels. But just want all this tidy for the winter. I'll get back to the 3 tractor at some point soon. So I will. I was going to jack the tractor up, take it off the dollies and jack the Escort, but I can't be bothered doing that now. I'll just get this locked up. That'll be the next thing I do, is come out, jack it up, take the tractor off the dollies, jack the Escort up, put the Escort on the dollies, then I'll cover the Escort up, and I'll cover the tractor up. And that'll do it. I've tidied up in the front of the shed. I put my 2 chairs back in the carport here. So when the pickup comes back, it'll be going in here. And chairs will go in the garage because there'll be more room when the Escort's moved over. So there will.